Hi friends, today we are with a new smartwatch and this is from FCUK. The model name is FCUK Fit Pro, and in this video we are going to discuss about the box content. We will see all the features and including the price point what it is going to offer. So let's start the video with the unboxing first. When you purchase the smartwatch, you will get this welcome note. Definitely, this is a great touch by company to be connected with the customer and also with the fans. If we talk about the device, the packaging is very premium. If you see on the back side, there is a pricing, but I will tell you this is not the final pricing, so don't get confused. If you see on the box, there is few things written. It includes the 1.69-inch TFT display. It also checks your health. It includes the 8 sports mode, and it has the call and text notification including the sports mode, sleep monitor. On the other side, it comes with the SpO2 monitor, blood pressure, and also the heart rate monitor. So these are the features what it is given. On the back side, it is written it comes with the 200 mAh battery and also has IP68 rating. Now let's see the first look of the smartwatch. So here is the FCUK Fit Pro smartwatch. It looks pretty much premium band and premium design. We will talk about that later. But in the box you are also getting a pogo pin magnetic charger. And other than this, there is a user manual. I will definitely recommend you to check the user manual and also scan the QR code to get the app. And this is the warranty card. So this is what you are getting in the box. If we talk about the colors, there is a black silicone, there is a blue color, and there is a black in which you have a grey body. In that it had a silver body. Now there is also a pink color. There is neon green and neon grey color. These are all in the silicone bands, and there is also black mesh and silver mesh which have a different price, and we will talk about that later on. Now coming to the battery, I will recommend you before first use charge completely full, do the full charge. And if you talk about the battery life cycle, it can run up to 7 days after the full recharge in active mode. In standby mode, it can run up to 10 days. If we talk about the device, it comes with the sensor including SpO2, blood pressure, heart rate monitor, and it also has a pedometer inside it. The best part is that it comes with the swappable bands. You can swap the bands and you can purchase any third party band also from the market, and it is very easily. Here I am showing you how to detach the bands and again attach with the main body. Even you can use the third party bands also from the market. It is very easy and you can do that manually. Now coming to the device, it comes with the 1.69-inch full touch display. It comes with the IPS panel which is a A grade. This comes with the TFT display. It is very premium in design. To connect the smartwatch with your smartphone, you need the popular DaFit app which is available for Android and Apple users. The download link will be available in the description section below. Now while adding the device, you have to switch on the Bluetooth. Once it is done, just add the device and it will show you your model name FCUK Fit Pro. And just click it. Once it is done, it will take few seconds to connect it and it will show you the battery percentage. You can remove them. If we talk about the watch face, it comes with the 4 watch faces by default. In that you can edit few things including the text color, even with the time position, above time, below time, you can change that also. Even if you have any image, you can replace it with them. You also get some more watch faces. There are nearly 100 watch faces or more than 100-200 watch faces what I have seen. So you can apply these watch faces on your FCUK Fit Pro smartwatch. And these all watch faces are free and these are available on the cloud basis. You just need to have the internet connection to apply the watch faces. For notification access, go to the DaFit and allow it the permission to give the notification, and then you can give the permission to your phone, your messages, Facebook, Instagram. These apps will give you all the notification on your smartwatch. So I definitely recommend, what are the apps you are using, just give them the permission to access. It will be very easier to get all the notification on your smartwatch. You get 3 alarms predefined. You can set the timer and change them also. Even your watch can be used as a shutter. It also comes with the Find Device time format. You can change the time format from 12 hour to 24 hour. You can have the unit system, and you can also have the reminders to move, which is a sedentary reminder. It will also do the continuous heart rate detection. It comes with the auto lock, which can be changed from 5 seconds to 20 seconds. You can change the language also. You can do the reset. Even you have the quick view with a valid period. Drinking water reminder, if you want, you can enter that also. For weather, it will automatically take the weather from your smartphone, and even the temperature if you want in Celsius or Fahrenheit. It also gives you a physiological cycle reminder. This will be helpful for the women. And if you go back, there is also Find My Device. You can find your device by just pressing that. Even there is an upgrade option. Currently it is running on the current software, so this is also a good thing. If you talk about the few things which it includes the step count, the sleep count, the heart rate monitor, continuous heart rate monitor, the BP, blood pressure, and also the blood oxygen, which is SpO2, and outdoor running. These are the things which it shows you by default. Now going to the last step, what the last step gives you, it gives you the profile which you have entered earlier. Even you can change your steps from 6,000, 7,000, whatever step count you want. So which is very easy, and later you can also connect with the Google Fit. And lastly, you have the about, where you can switch to upgrade to beta. I will definitely not recommend you guys to switch to beta because it may be in the testing phase and you may find few things not working properly. Now coming to the most important feature, which is the calling feature. So you can definitely disconnect the call and also mute the call notification. Now how it works, I will show you. So tapping on the red button, it will directly disconnect the call. Tapping on the blue, it will mute from the smartwatch, and the control goes to the smartphone directly. So you can control the call directly from your smartphone. So this is what you are getting for the calling feature. Now going through all the features, first of all, this is the honeycomb feature, and in this you are getting each and every menu. You are getting one physical button. If you swipe down from top to bottom, you get few things, including that it will show you that it is paired, it will show you date, even also the battery. It will also show you DND. There is a theater mode which will turn off the vibration and also lower the brightness. You have the torch, which is a flashlight kind of thing. There is setting to switch with the honeycomb and list mode. I will definitely show that later on. There is brightness control which you can do. You can check the temperature also, including the settings. There is brightness, and brightness you can increase or decrease. There is shake off and on. There is also do not disturb mode in the settings. There is a theater mode which I have already shown you. You have few dial modes which you can directly put from here. You can change them. So this is the dial mode. Now going to the home screen again, going to settings. There is also reset button, power off, and the QR code. The QR code is basically to scan for the app, and there is about, it will tell you the MAC address and also the detail about the smartwatch. Now if you swipe from bottom to top, it will show you all the notification, including your missed call alerts, your WhatsApp, each and everything will be shown here. If you swipe from left to right, you will see a menu. These are all the menus which completely present, including about. It also has a brightness control. So I will literally show you each and every function so that you guys don't miss anything. Now there is also, after brightness, you get a stopwatch where you can control it. There is also breathe mode. This is if you want to focus on your breath. You get a complete music player. You can control your music from here. There is a theater mode, and there is a torch which is for the flash. Here you can see there is a heart rate monitor, and you can see currently the theater mode is on, so the brightness goes automatically lower. There is a heart rate monitor which will do the continuous heart rate. There is a SpO2 monitor, and it also has the weather control in that. Here you can see the weather. It is showing the 43 degrees Celsius currently, so you can check out the weather also. Let me switch on and increase the brightness a bit here so that you guys can see it properly. So there is brightness mode. There is also sleep mode where you can track your sleeping activity. Now it comes with the sports mode. There are 8 sports mode including walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, swimming, football, basketball. So these are that, and it also has the countdown. It comes with the camera shutter. You can click pictures using your smartwatch as a shutter. It also shows you the BP, which is a blood pressure. It will show you the steps in, because it includes the pedometer in it. You can scan the QR code. In the bottom there are few things which includes your all the notifications. You can power off, you can go to the settings. There is a power off option. There is also settings where you can go directly to the settings, and there is a reset option. So currently I have covered all the features what the smartwatch is offering. It includes that IP68 water resistant. It comes with the Realtek processor. It has a metal body which is slim, and it is made of zinc alloy, and it also gives you static and dynamic heart rate monitor. It comes with the breathing monitor too, and it gives you a media control as well as the camera control. It comes with the 240 into 280 pixels. Now talking about the two modes, I will show you. It comes with the honeycomb and the list mode. So both the mode covers each and everything. I will show you. So on the right side you are seeing the honeycomb mode, on the left side it is a list mode. So both have all the modes cover. You can just have a check on it. I will just showing you randomly that all the menus are present in both the mode. It is just a user interface which is changed. The list menu has all in the list, and the honeycomb has all in the spreaded way. So this is what we are getting. If we talk about the weight, it is very light in weight. The price of the FCUK Fit Pro is 2,999 for the silicone bands, and for the mesh band it is priced for 3,299. So definitely this is a killer price with the awesome features what the FCUK Fit Pro is offering. It will be going on sale through Amazon.in, and I will definitely drop down the link below for the purchase link, and also there will be the link to download the app for the Play Store and also the App Store. If you guys have any question or doubt, try to ask us in the comment section and we will try to reply it. This is all about the FCUK Fit Pro. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.